Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the lesson number 7, population. Okay. So let us start with the lesson number 7, population. Okay. Population is called as the resource. Like the other resources like air, water, soil, these are all the resources, plants, animals. Likewise, the population is also called a resource. Okay. While studying the population of a particular region, the various aspects like population growth, population distribution, population density, structure of population have to be considered. So you know that why it is called as the resource, why population is called as the resource, because for the development of a particular region or a country, what matters? The population. If the active or skilled population or working population is more in a country, obviously the economy of that country will be increased. Okay. And if the population, most of the population of the country is skilled, okay, intelligent, then what will happen? Obviously there will the progress of the particular country or particular region. Okay, obviously. And obviously the economy of the country will be increased. Okay, that's why population is called as a resource. Okay, like the other resources, population is also called as the resource. Okay, so the economic, social and the cultural development of any country gets influenced by its population. Whether it is economical, just now I have explained you how the population is related to the, or population is responsible for the, to increase the economy of a particular country. Likewise, social and cultural development of any country is also influenced by its population. The quality of population proves more important than its quantity in the overall development of a country. Just now I have given the example. If only 100 persons are there, we have to do something work, okay, and we are having only 100 persons, okay, for doing that work. But if we select the qualified persons for that work, okay, then that work will be very easier and will be will take a very little time to do. Okay, how? Because there will be a skilled person working there, their experiences will be there. Okay, अगर सपोज कि एक पर्सन 10 पर्सन है वो अनएक्सपीरियंस्ड that are working, okay, and suppose the 5 persons are there which are experienced and skilled, then the result will be of which group will be seen greater? Okay, obviously the skilled and experienced person. That is the fact. That means whatever the experience, whatever the skill they are having, that that the unskilled and the unexperienced person are not having. Okay, so just because of the experience, just because of the skill, okay, the progress will be of that group in which, okay, the experienced and skilled persons are involved. That is the fact. Okay, so quantity doesn't matter. 100 persons are there, but out of that 50 are unexperienced. Okay, and one group is of 50 persons only, that all the 50 persons are skilled and experienced. Obviously the results will be shown by the second group, okay, will be great. Okay, now while studying the population of a particular region, okay, the various aspects like population growth, population distribution, population density, structure of population have to be considered. So let us discuss the first one, that is the population growth. Okay, so population of any region constantly keeps changing due to the following factors that we are going to discuss. Okay, so first one is the birth rate, second one is the death rate, third one is the life expectancy, and fourth one is the migration. Okay, so these are the factors affecting the population growth. So first factor is the birth rate. So now let us know what is mean by birth rate. Birth rate is the number of live birth per 1000 people in a year. एक साल में, ओके, पर 1000 पीपल कितने बर्थ हो रहे, कितने न्यूली बेबी जो है वो बॉर्न हो रहे हैं पर 1000 पीपल ड्यूरिंग 1 year. That is called as the birth rate. So birth rate is the number of live births per 1000 people in a year. Okay. Now next factor that affects the population growth. कैसे भी बर्थ रेट कैसे जो है इफेक्ट करेगा? अगर पॉपुलेशन अभी जो है न्यूली, जैसे हम अगर बात करेंगे हमारी इंडिया की, तो इसका जो पॉपुलेशन है वो बहुत ज्यादा है इंडिया का, ठीक है। फर्स्ट नंबर पे चाइना है, तो सेकेंड नंबर पे इंडिया का नंबर लगता है। जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट कि यहाँ पे जो बर्थ रेट है वो बहुत ज्यादा है, ठीक है। दैट्स वाई कि हमारे जो इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन है वो ज्यादा है। सो बर्थ रेट के ऊपर भी, ठीक है, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ ये जो फैक्टर है इसके ऊपर बर्थ रेट का भी इफेक्ट होता ही है ऑब्वियसली। अगर प्रोडक्शन, अगर बर्थ रेट अगर ज्यादा है तो ऑब्वियसली जो भी सर्वाइवल के लिए जो भी चीजें लगती है, जो भी प्रोडक्शन होता होगा वो ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में होगा। तो अब मुझे बताओ कि फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे यहाँ ये व्हीट और राइस का कल्टीवेशन बहुत ज्यादा अबंडेंट क्वांटिटी में होता है, लेकिन उतने क्वांटिटी में हम उसको जो है एडॉप्ट, हम जो है हम उतने ही क्वांटिटी में उसको यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं बिकॉज द पॉपुलेशन इज ग्रेट। ओके, पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा है इसलिए जो भी प्रोडक्शन हमारे यहाँ हो रहा है वो सब हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं। इसीलिए तो वो जो प्रोडक्शन हमने किया है, जो भी कंटेंट हो, जो भी मैटर हो, ठीक है, जो भी मटेरियल हो जिसका हम प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रेन्स का प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, फार्मिंग कर रहे हैं, उससे ग्रेन्स का प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, लेकिन जितने क्वांटिटी में हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं उतना ही हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं, तो हम उसको जो है एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, ठीक है। अगर पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा है तो ऑब्वियसली हम उसको जो है वो ज्यादा उतने क्वांटिटी में एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे। व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हाटएवर द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ कंट्री वी आर हैविंग इज ग्रेटर, तो उतने ही क्वांटिटी में जो है लोग जो है उस ग्रेन को यूटिलाइज करेंगे, तो हम एक्सपोर्ट कैसे करेंगे? और एक्सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो बाहर के अदर कंट्रीज की करेंसी हमारे इंडिया में नहीं आएंगे, तो इकोनॉमी कैसे बढ़ेगी? ओके, सो इन दिस वे बर्थ rate plays an important role, okay, or we call it as a factor that affect the population growth. Now next one is the death rate, okay, that we will explain in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day, you all.